2020 Mazda CX-9. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.